While it's important to note that there are no guaranteed methods to turn $40,000 into $1 million quickly, here are a few general strategies you can consider. Long-term investing. Consider investing your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or mutual funds with a long-term perspective. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns over extended periods. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research or seek advice from a financial professional before making investment decisions. Real estate investment. Explore real estate opportunities, such as purchasing properties for rental income or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can provide both income and potential appreciation over time. However, it's essential to carefully analyze market conditions, location, and associated risks. Entrepreneurship. Consider starting your own business or investing in a promising startup. Entrepreneurship can provide significant returns if you have a unique business idea or if you identify investment opportunities in growing sectors. However, entrepreneurship involves risks, and success is not guaranteed. Education or skill development. Invest in enhancing your knowledge or skills by pursuing education, certifications, or training in a field with high income potential. This can increase your earning potential over time and open doors for career advancement. High-yield savings or investments. Explore high-yield savings accounts or investment vehicles that offer competitive interest rates or returns. While the returns may not be as significant as other investment options, they can provide stability and preserve your capital. Consult with a financial advisor. Consider seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor who can assess your specific financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals. They can help create a personalized investment plan and provide insights tailored to your needs. It's crucial to remember that turning $40,000 into $1 million typically requires time, patience, and a long-term perspective. The path to wealth accumulation involves risks, market fluctuations, and a variety of factors that are beyond individual control. Additionally, diversifying your investments, having realistic expectations, and staying informed about financial markets are essential.